Hello once again, this is Uncle Jimmy, Jimmy's Train Station Travel Adventures. I have my son Forbes with me today, and we're up here in Oaks, Pennsylvania to Monster Mania, and we're going to get some autographs, run around with our friends Nick and Eddie, check out the vendors. We'll just come up for one day. It's Saturday. We're going to have a small haul, but we'll show you the end of the haul at the end of the video as always. It's going to be a smaller haul. We just come up one day basically to spend time with our friends. Line's pretty long. We're getting ready to go into Expo Center here, Greater Philadelphia Expo Center, to Monster Mania. So join us for this creature feature video, and hope you enjoy this video. And I ask, if you're watching this, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave comments, suggestions as always, and share with your family and friends. And thank you for the support of our channel. So follow us on this adventure as we go to Monster Mania. Well, we are in here and getting the autographs, and look at how many people are here. It's ridiculous. Met up with Nick and Eddie.
Finally.
We're standing in what's his name? Vincent D'Onofrio. Yeah, his line, the guy from Full Metal Jacket, Leonard, and he's up there. But yeah, I'm not going to be filming close up to these actors because some of them get upset, especially Bonnie. Don't want to get her upset. She's too nice a lady. But as you can see, we're going to be in lines for a while getting autographs. I got 7 of them to get. Then we'll look around the vendors a little bit. I ain't going to spend none, but my son probably will.
Money packed today, more than last night.
Oh, it's crazy, man. When we got in line, we were clear around the back of the building.
It was empty last night.
So the lines are going to be long no matter who we stand in line for. It's obvious. So, but it's going to be still a fun day just spend with our friends, man. That's the main thing. So follow us on this adventure. So we got a lot of the autographs out of the way. I've got 1 or 2 at the most if I get them left. We're taking a load off sitting here in the costume contest, and that's what we're doing right now. And so we're just relaxing. We'll go around and look at the vendors later, maybe get that 1 autograph. Not sure yet. So follow us on this adventure. Baby shit, right? And he's throwing poopy papers out to the audience. Funny.
So, coming back up. I don't know what's going on here. His real name is Pete, and his character is Baby Pooh.
Baby Pooh.
Let's hear it for Pooh Baby, I'm sorry. Let's hear it for Pete as Pooh Baby.
That's funny. Alright, so I wanted to show that there. We're at the costume contest. We got Baby Pooh over there.
Our next contestant.
So follow us on this adventure. Thought I'd get close up of Baby Pooh over here. Pooh Baby. Baby Pooh. Great. I love it. So follow us on this adventure. Hello, this is Uncle Jimmy once again with Jimmy's Train Station Travel Adventures. For some reason I had problems with this video and lost a few videos to add to this, so I've got what I got filmed. I'm sorry about that. It happens to all YouTubers, but I filmed the haul and it won't work, so I'm gonna try this again. So first of all, my son got this at the convention. It's some kind of little fish fossil or something, or skeleton of some kind of fish that's in the ocean. So that's the first item that I wanted to show you that we got. And I got my wife some coffee and my dad some coffee. I got that the ones I usually get, Deadly Grounds. And I got my wife the chocolate and blueberry coffee, which we've had before. It's really good. And then I got my dad the pumpkin spice coffee. Same one, just a different flavor. Now we'll go downstairs and I'll show you our haul of what we got. Sorry about this. I don't know what happened to the video, but I had to refilm it. So here we go down the stairs to the autograph room, and I'll show you what we got there. So it is a little dark in here. Let me turn on some lights here. But I will show you what we got. First of all, some autographs over here. I'll take this into this room. It's a little more lighter in here. Into the heart room. And we'll get to the ones I got. Most of it's autographs. Some of them were bought. Some of them were given to me by a friend. And some of them I got at the actual convention here. But the first one I got here, I'll show you, is the Native American actor who played in One Flew Over Cuckoo's Nest. Now I bought this autograph off of Dealer I Trust, which is legit. I got the actor off of Full Metal Jacket that played Leonard. Got his autograph, got that in person. A friend got me this one, Nick Clooney. And over here we got Tony Danza, and a friend got me that one. This one also is Paris Hilton. Got me that one. This one I bought. I'm trying to get all the Christmas Vacation actors. This was Cousin Eddie's daughter, who was Ruby Sue. She put shit in bricks. This one I got in person at this convention. Juliette Lewis. Her dad was a cool actor too. Jeffrey Lewis played in a lot of westerns. Played in Salem's Lot as the grave digger. And played in Rob Zombie's Devil's Rejects as the one civilian guy with the cowboy hat that dies. But yeah, she's a real good actress too. Said stay married. This is one that I acquired from a friend of Alec Baldwin from Beetlejuice. Friend got me this one, The Who, and over here got Barry Manilow. Friend got me. That's Pete Townsend, by the way. And then here we got Lionel Richie that a friend got me. So I acquired them autographs. And the only other object I bought at the convention is out here in the autograph room. I'm gonna have to do a update on the autograph room here soon. Is this little 3D sculpture of Jack Nicholson from The Shining. It's like kind of got a rough surface, but I'm going to use that as a DIY, do it yourself, DIY project and paint it, and I'll probably make a video on that. But over here is my other autographs I acquired, and this one I acquired from a friend. 2 of the signatures, he got 2 of them. I bought at the convention, and it's black phone. So all 4 of these signatures on here now makes this worth like $1,000. Lay this over here so it don't get hurt. Real quick. Now I bought this one at the convention. I'm trying to get all the Christmas vacations, so this is a Chevy Chase. And I bought this one at the convention also, which is Nurse Ratched from One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. It's certified. Now I heard she's not doing too well, so I'm glad I got that. Then, this last but least, I got the Outsiders poster, and I got Pony Boy and Johnny. Both were there at the convention, and I got their autographs, and so that's the haul. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Like I said, I lost some footage, like going and walking around the vendors and stuff, and I'm sorry about that. So it happens. So please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Tell it about to your friends and family, and thanks once again for supporting us. Feel free to leave comments, suggestions as always. Until next time, this has been Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures. Till next time, goodbye.